People always ask me, okay, Marygrace, what exactly do you eat? You know, what do you eat and where do you get it? I did a video a while back on Trader Joe's and the things I buy there that are keto. I recently started shopping at Sprouts because it's by my Pilates studio, and I am so happy to tell you that they have some really good keto products that taste actually so good. 20 years ago when I started keto, there weren't many options for pre-made foods. I had to bake and make a lot of things myself, but now the options are endless. Found this Carb Smart bread. It is 1 net carb per piece of bread, and let me tell you, it tastes exactly like white bread. I don't think I've had white bread in 20 years. And I am loving turkey sandwiches, grilled cheese sandwiches. It literally tastes exactly like regular white bread. They also have these chips. They're called Quest Protein Crisps. They have 4 net carbs per serving. And the really good thing about this is they have 16 grams of protein for those 4 net carbs. Great to have a couple of these after you work out so that you will build muscle. Love these. They taste like real tortilla chips. This is the nacho cheese flavor, but they have sour cream and onion, any flavor you want. Hello, guacamole salsa. So excited. These pork rinds are pretty good. I don't dig them that much, but Keith loves them. So these are protein puffs. They taste like Cheetos. Again, they have all the different flavors. This is sour cream and onion, but they have cheddar cheese that tastes exactly like Cheetos. These products, they're made from hearts of palm, like the inside of a palm tree, which are always low carb. But they are linguine and lasagna sheets. Haven't tried them yet, but I saved the best for last. Ice cream. 1 net carb per serving, and the serving is a 1/4 of this. I wasn't as keen on this flavor. It's red velvet, but I don't have any more of the other flavors because I ate them all. But the butter pecan is to die for, as is the peanut butter cookie dough flavor. This Costco this week too, and they had a lot of keto products. This was a really good one. They are ice cream bars, only 2 net carbs for the whole bar. This one is sea salt and caramel. Really, really good flavor. I'll do a whole video on Costco keto products, but for now, go to Sprouts and check out their products. They have a lot of keto products. Thanks for watching.